Friends, this video I am making only for issuing certain clarifications. So please follow them rather carefully. First of all, I run only two Art of Investing programs. One is a 2 weeks program, other is a 10 weeks program. In both these programs, the emphasis is on helping students understand which direction the markets are headed, what is coming next, how you should invest from a short, medium, long term perspective. I also give certain good investable ideas whether you should invest in some good stocks, then I tell which ones, bonds, oil, gold, etc. Particularly in my 2 weeks course, for which many people register because then they can attend the 10 weeks course, which is an advanced course where I explain more things than I do in the 2 weeks course because of shortage of time. Very clearly in my 2 weeks course, I have never mentioned that I will be able to completely help you learn the predictive techniques and you will become a master. There are some people who are spreading wrong word. I clearly mentioned in my curriculum, focus is on understanding the direction of the markets, which are good investable ideas. How you can use my predictions has been the sole focus. However, if you go over a period of time, there are advanced techniques which you will learn, which will help you a lot in predictive. But in 2 weeks, it is impossible to teach these techniques. This is not my first video. I've mentioned in many clarificatory videos before also. Second clarification, I only have this YouTube channel and I run this Art of Investing class where we are now screening people very carefully. We want only good, serious students, not people who are not serious and who are just trying to come to steal my predictive techniques ideas. There are a lot of people who have coming in only for that purpose. Third, I do not have any WhatsApp group or Telegram group as of now. However, there is an intention to have some group of this kind, and you as subscribers are the owners of the Art of Investing, not me. If you all suggest, I will create one, but as of now there is no WhatsApp group or Telegram group under my Art of Investing under Sunil Kevalramani. There is no such. If you have joined any such group or you're intending to join, if there is anything, then please you do it at your own risk, not mine. I'm being very, very clear. I have no WhatsApp group or Telegram group running at this point of time. If you all suggest, I will create one. It is very easy to create, but it is only after lots of subscribers have expressed, because it is your channel. What you say will be implemented, and I will follow exactly what you advise. Fourth clarification, that lots of people are trying to join my course on for 2 weeks only to learn predictive techniques. I have nowhere mentioned that I am going to teach in 2 weeks and make you master. Is not possible. I've repeated it many, many times. So if you're coming only for that, and some people, when they cannot find it in the right way, they are using wrong methods to steal the predictive techniques. I'm very, very sorry to say that also. We have had some bad experience from people who are holding high positions in multinational companies, cloud computing, smart people based out of overseas, having very big offices in India, employing so many people. They are trying to find people, put them in my art of investing program, give them some small amounts like 10,000 rupees, and trying to steal this knowledge of predictive technology, which is not my property. First of all, it is you who subscribers of the channel own it. It is stealing. And also of the country. Modi ji, when I met him, had said that make something for India, make a good financial product, and I had given him this product. He says you keep it safely. He should be now made aware of how people from multinationals are planting people in my program to steal this knowledge. I'm going to, his entire evidence is going to him in very short while. You are the owners of this knowledge. Whatever little bit I can give you is only using the knowledge that you allow me. You are the true people who should be getting this knowledge. One more thing, clarification. Do not, please, indulge in any negative thinking, negative knowledge. It will not help you, friends. Try to think positive if you want. True benefit of the art of investing, of whatever my videos are, think positive, do good to people. I have said time and again, people do not understand this. If your heart is clean, you will make money every day, I guarantee. Otherwise, you come and tell me. Whoever you see in the comments and all, they have had heart clean. Don't spread negative things. Talk negative. Great respect I have for the Sikh religion. There is a famous, a very well, nice thing that the Sikhs read regularly. It is called as Sukhmani Sahib. In the Shlok and the Ashtapadi 13 in the Sukhmani Sahib, it is mentioned. It's in Gurmukhi, but I'll tell you the English translation. It won't take more than 1 minute. Sant saran jo jan parai so jan udran har. Meaning that those who take refuge in the sanctuary of the saints, they are worthy of liberation. Try to mix with good-hearted, positive-minded people and not people who are not worthy of being a company. One class I was teaching, and after the class got over, I used to just quietly say goodbye and leave. Once by mistake I logged in after 7 or 8 minutes. I found that this person from this multinational company is trying to steal some knowledge about predictive techniques, was telling the some few participants about how to go about, and how in 2 weeks you can get this knowledge. We have gathered all the screenshots with us, and we are going to take this legally, because the companies, multinational companies, cannot steal secrets like this. And we'll be doing that in the Sukhmani Sahib, in the Shloka and the Ashtapadi 13 is mentioned. Sant ki ninda nanika bahur bahur avatar, that those who slander the saints or Nanak, they are caught in the clutches of reincarnation. Whatever knowledge I have developed is your property, is the property of India. If anybody is trying to steal it, we will make sure that they are going to be caught red-handed. Friends, these are clarifications. I have no other WhatsApp group or Telegram group, but yes, if you tell me, we will create one only after I receive your suggestions. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye-bye.